Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the shortcuts bar on the Facebook mobile app. Now the shortcuts bar is a little bar on the bottom that you can click on to navigate to certain areas, and oftentimes things pop up there that you don't want, like groups or videos or at something else, etc. So here's how to customize that shortcuts bar. We're going to go to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. From there, we're going to scroll down to the shortcuts icon. Then we'll click on Shortcut Bar right here. And then you can choose what you want to show up by toggling them on and off. So we'll turn this off. You can turn these different ones off or on. And you can see down below that they disappear and reappear. So the good one I like to add is the profile. And so this is how you can customize your shortcuts bar on the Facebook mobile app. I like to add profile and marketplace, home, notifications. I really don't like all these other ones, but you can choose what you want. And so that is it, how to customize the shortcuts bar on the Facebook mobile app. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, hope you like this video by clicking on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Until next time.